Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is December 15 and we're starting from euro-dollar pair with Jakub Novak. But first, let's have a look in 5-minute chart for analyzing yesterday's transactions. The test of 1.0929 took place at a time when the MACD line moved upward from zero, provoking a buy signal. As a result, the pair rose in price by more than 60 pips. The ECB's decision on interest rates led to further growth in euro-dollar pair, as the bank took a tough position, stating its intention to continue fighting inflation. This surprised many because the members seems to be ready for more lenient conditions due to easing inflationary pressure in the region. However, today the situation may turn around as weak business activity data in the manufacturing and service sector of the eurozone may come out, spoiling the bullish sentiment of market players. Only an increase in the indicators or a less rapid contraction of activity will continue the rally in the euro. For long positions, buy euro when the quote hits 1.1009 and take profit at the price of 1.1048. Growth will occur after good PMI data from the eurozone. When buying, make sure that the MACD line lies above zero or rises from it. Euro can also be bought after two consecutive price tests of 1.0982, but the MACD line should be in the oversold area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.1009 and 1.1048. For short positions, sell euro when the quote reaches 1.0982 and take profit at the price on 1.0942. Pressure will return amid weak indicators and lack of activity around the local high. When selling, make sure that the MACD line lies under zero or drops down from it. Euro can also be sold after two consecutive price tests of 1.1009. But the MACD line should be in the overbought area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.0982 and 1.0942. It's time for drawing a pivot point for GBPUSD pair. Evangelos Paulakis presents. The pound is close to fully work out the daily target for breaking the cloud 1.2816. After completing this task, attention will be directed to testing the lower boundary of the monthly cloud 1.2893. Entry and consolidation in the monthly Ichimoku cloud will open up new horizons for bullish players. If bulls fail to accomplish the set task, the loss of the weekly level 1.2719 will bring relevance back to the support area 1.2589. Currently uniting the weekly medium-term and monthly short-term trends. Intermediate support can be provided by the daily short-term trend, 1.2646. On the lower timeframes, the target for breaking the H4 cloud has been worked out well, 1.2748 and 1.2776. The continuation of the rise will allow testing intraday resistance of classic pivot points 1.2833, 2904, and 30.15. If the emerging corrective slowdown develops, support on the path to restoring bearish positions may be 1.2722, central pivot point of the day, and support 1.2651, and also the weekly long-term trend 1.2591. And finally, here's Laurie Bailey with USDJPY currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. The USDJPY pair continues to support the dollar's broad weakness. Yesterday, the yen strengthened by 97 pips, and the lower shadow of the daily candle tested the target support at 141.23. During the correction, the price approached the resistance level of 142.70 by this morning. This level is strong, so we do not believe that there is a reason for the price to overcome it. After completing the correction, a consolidation could form before the level for 1-2 days. After that, we expect a new test of support 141.23 and further down to 140.35, coinciding with the embedded line of the price channel. On the 4-hour chart, the price and the Marlin oscillator formed a weak convergence. However, the oscillator quickly moved upward, so it may briefly linger at elevated values before turning downward. That's all for today. See you online soon, and good luck.